Hello and welcome guys to this quick screencast. Well, first I'm going to tell you what this script really do. Well, you can use this script to block the bad words from your site. You can use this script to block the bad links from your site. Links like there is some spam link on your site. You can use this script to block those spam links. You can use this script to block a particularly domain name from your site. You can also block the IP address of the visitor which are coming to your site. There is one more thing which this script do is redirection protection. What this really mean, if someone is getting out of your site by clicking on an external link, you can give them a prior notification like hey, you are getting out of our site, do you want to continue or you want to return back to our site. Well, this script is compatible with WordPress, Joomla, PHPfox, etc. Alright, so first let's take an installation example. In this case I'm using WordPress right now. For the installation, all you have to do is to drag and drop this blockbat.php and outgoing folder in your script directory and open index.php in your favorite text editor and include this line, include blockbat.php semicolon in the end and save your file. That's it. You are done for the installation process. You do not have to do anything else beside this in order to install this script. Okay, now let's take a look at what this script really do. Well, I have installed the script on my local host and this is a freshly installed WordPress on my local host. What I have to do, I just want to block this particular word that is a bad word. There are two bad words right now. This is one bad word and another bad word. All I have to do is just open my blockbat.php, just go to blockbat words array and just type my word which I want to block, and I want to change it to something else. Like I want to change it to something like this. I save my file and when I refresh the page, you can see the word is changed into something that what we want. Now let's take another example. I want to block this word today. What I have to do, I just copy this word, open my blockbat.php, I just go here, put the comma in the end, type the word which I want to block and the thing I want to change it into. Like I want to change it into something like this. Comma in the end, save the file, and when I refresh the page, you can see the word is gone. So well, installation process is pretty simple and all you have to do is just include the line. That's it for the installation. There's a little bit of the configuration that you have to do. I have provided a tutorial. You will get that when you just download the script. Okay, now let's take one more example what this script really do, and in this case I will show you how to block the links or spam links from your site by using this script. And I will block this YouTube link and I'm using phpfox this time. So let me first attach the link. I attach the link, click share. Okay, now if you think this is a spam link on your site, what do you have to do in order to block it? You just copy the link address, open your blockbat.php, just go here, ban links array, just type the address which you want to block and you want to block it. Save the file, and the next thing that you have to do is just turn this on, that is ban links from false to true. Save your file, and when you refresh your page, you can see the links are removed, but you will see that not youtube.com is removed because we have just blocked this particular link, not whole youtube.com. Now if you want to ban whole youtube.com, what do you have to do? Just copy the youtube.com, open your badblock.php, type the youtube.com and you want to block it. Put the comma in the end, save your file, and when you refresh your page, you can see the link is removed. Now you have blocked the youtube.com completely from your website. One more benefit of this script is that it is doing everything on the fly. Well, this means this is not modifying anything in your actual SQL or on your actual website. It is doing everything on the fly. So in the future, if you think you want to unban those links or words, what do you have to do? Just open your blockbat.php and remove the links which you want to unban or the words which you want to unban, and save your file, and when you refresh your page, you can see the word is back and the link is back. So you have just unbanned those links. If you think you want to unban them, you can also unban them in the later. So now what the redirection protection actually do, let's take a look at that. Open your blockbat.php, turn redirection protection from false to true, and you have just enabled the redirection protection on your website. When you refresh your page, there is a change in the link status. When someone click on an external link, you are giving them a prior notice, like you are leaving our site. If you want to return back, they will click just return back and they are back to your site. If they click on the continue to that particular link, they are just gonna be redirected to that particular link. Alright, now let's take a look at how to block the IP address. Just turn ban IP addresses from true to false, and you want to redirect the ban IP addresses to, in this case I'm just redirecting them to google.com. Save your file and just go to block addresses and just type the address which you want to block. In this case I'm blocking my local host, so I just type my local host IP address, and when I refresh my page you can see I'm just redirected to google.com. Well, you can use the wildcard to block the IP address, such as this, probably this. You can use the wildcard in order to block the IP addresses. Okay, so what will you get when you download this script? You will get a script. Actually, you will just really get the script, but you will also get a documentation, a good documentation written by me to follow along, and you will also get the 2 video tutorials for free. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it.